I'm going to show you how to use a clamshell beading tip. Basically, once you have your pattern done, you go through the middle of the hole of your clamshell from the bottom up, then you do your knot. And the number of knots you want to do really depends on the thickness of your beading material. So I'm just going to do this, and then I use a pin to guide it into the middle of the clamshell like this. I tighten it, then I trim, and then what I do is I close it up. I close it like this. So now the knot is inside, and then I loop my solder ring in and close it, and I press down so that it's tight, and there you have it. Some of the tips that you might want to consider is you could thread this before your knot, use a crimping bead and you crimp down so that the knot is not going to come undone. The other thing that you might want to do is to put a dab of glue, and this beading type of material also works with if you have tiger tail or soft flex and you want to crimp down, and this is big enough to cover a crimp. So it's a versatile end.